Okay, right now, again, we're standing in the kitchen or a future kitchen of a major renovation. This is part of the work that I do, renovations, new home building, and so on. This will give people an understanding of the extent of the work in which needs to be done in order to carry out a major renovation. As you can see here, we've used the jackhammer and we've exposed the original plumbing, heating, and water system that was underneath the concrete. Because there's an island and it's a relocation of it where it was previously and a different layout, we've exposed everything within the house so that we can rewire it and replumb it right from scratch. You can see the walls have all been opened up, exposing the existing wiring system. A lot of that will stay, but a lot of it will be changed to support the new lighting system, switching pattern, and so on. So this particular house is slab on grade, and that's why a lot of the supporting systems are underneath the concrete floor of the house.